introduce Smith and Thell. They're a Swedish duo. It's Thell, I believe. They sing in English, though, just much like ABBA and Bananarama. And they're a pop group. It's kind of a folk rock kind of feel, and I like that. I like their harmonies. And I like the lyrics on this song, because the lyrics, despite being a very upbeat, up-tempo song, the lyrics are very, very dark. So they start out with the introduction where they play, a piano's playing the melody that they sing, and the guitar just does one strum for each chord. But it's the same chord progression as the chorus. By the way, they play with the capo on the 3rd fret. I'm not going to use a capo because I can't locate mine. But if you want to play along with the recording, I think use a capo at the 3rd fret. The intro is kind of like this. Then it goes into the verse. Alright, the verse is up-tempo. The whole song's up-tempo. Alright, and they play a little piano there, and I'll play what I hear. Alright, and that's the melody. I played it on the 10th fret. And alright, the verse comes in full speed. Kind of country rock or folk rock feel. E minor, C, G. Repeats 4 times. This is a pre-chorus. Starts on C. I'm not there, I did not die. I'm not there, I did not die. Then it kind of breaks with the time, and it goes. Then goes back into the time. All right. And if you're not comfortable to play this that quickly, you can just play a D. That's all it is a D. D to C. So that after the pre-chorus D, it does a quick D to C hit, and then it goes back into the time. The tempo, the up tempo. All right, so we covered the verse, the pre-chorus. Let's cover the chorus. It's the same chord progression we played earlier for the intro. E minor, C, G, and it goes to A minor, very sad, E minor, D, back to the E minor. Then then you can repeat, or you can go to the verse from that E minor. But I would say if you don't have a capo and just listen to part of the song and then turn the volume down and try to replicate it in the lower key that we're playing. I like the song. I like the dark lyrics with the up-tempo kind of folk rock feel. So thanks for watching, and please, if you can, subscribe. It helps me with the YouTube people. So thanks for watching again, and bye-bye.